This is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. I'd like to take a moment to show you our latest creation. This was a restoration for a gentleman out of Alabama. His name is Randy. He elected to have the 5.3 Chevy Vortec 6-speed automatic transmission. And we restored this one back into the original Toyota gray, which turned out beautiful. It's got our rock sliders, Pro Comp, rough rack, low profile, spare tire carrier, if you've got a Land Cruiser thinking about having it restored, or you don't have one, we have a bunch in stock that are rust-free candidates. Give us a shout. I'll talk to you about what your expectations are. Maybe prompt some ideas on what your intended use will be. We build the suit. We don't have different stages. We also have a YouTube channel. Visit that. We have like 100 videos. LandCruiserRestorations.com. Again, I'll show you that 5.3. It looks like it came from the factory that way. So give us a shout, 316-992-5986. I'm Jim. Look forward to your call. Thank you.